Good morning there guys, and welcome to a new location here in the Philippines. This morning we are in Malabuyoc in Cebu, which is kind of south in Cebu. We travelled here yesterday by bus, and this is actually where we're staying. This is our pod, which we found yesterday online on booking.com. So we are here for, I believe, 3 nights. So I just got to go and sign for a motorbike before we can do anything else. That's the motorbike that got delivered this morning, which we've requested for 2 days. So we'll just go pay for that. Hello. So this here is the name of the location we're in, East Holiday Resort. And we're kind of in an area in Malabuyoc, I think I'm pronouncing that correctly, where there's loads of different hotels and so forth. We walked down this way last night, but it was pretty dark, so we couldn't see too much. But if you go down there, take a right, there's loads of like different restaurants and bars and hotels and things. What's this over here? Yeah, so it's a pretty cool area actually. You just got the seafront down there, a little walk away. But we didn't get too much to explore the whole area last night. We got to explore a little bit. So now apparently we are 30-minute ride from where the canyoning begins. We are going canyoning today. So really looking forward to that. It's a whole day activity. So it looks pretty cool. So we're just gonna prepare the bag and get going. What time are you on now? We're on 8 o'clock in the morning. We just had breakfast over there, which was supplied by the East Holiday Resort. So perhaps I can give you a little tour of the little hut we're staying in. So this is the accommodation. So let's go inside. So this is our accommodation where we stayed last night, which is good enough for us. We managed to get a sleep maybe about 10 PM. So we woke up at 6 AM this morning, went for breakfast. But it's okay. It's okay, you know. It's pretty decent. There's not too much to tour around. It is quite a small place. So we got the bathroom. It's kind of like an outdoor bathroom. Water pressure could be a little better, but apart from that, it's pretty cool. And just what we needed after what was it? Maybe 7 hours on the bus yesterday from Bantayan Island, which was a really long journey yesterday. Man, I was just so tired, so shattered. So last night we literally just came back, went out and got some food quickly, had a beer, and then came back and slept. So I feel well rested today. Little sore throat actually, because on the bus the aircon was just so in my face. It was blasting on me. It was so how can I explain? So cold, too cold actually, and I think it's affected me today. So I got a bit of a croaky throat, but apart from that, all good. So let's grab the bag, lock up, and get out of here. There we go, same colour helmet as the previous place, red. Goes with my tomato face. Okay, here it goes! Awesome. That's hard what I thought it would be. Hey. That's freezing. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Left side, left side. Go left side, babe.
Right here.
Oh, awesome. It's okay. Damn, that's high.
Two, three, go!
Okay, sure. Wow. Wow. Yeah. Check this out.
Where's Mom?
She's behind us. She's just coming. I'll let her come first.
Yeah.
Oh, you go first,
Right here.
Alright. Yeah, you're okay. There's another jump there. We're halfway there, down the canyon. You can see it's getting much busier now. Small.
Nalaran ni Bayoy. Pati rin. Isla ba itong kuhaan ni ba? Sa kuhaan kay Bayoy. Ayaw ni Bayoy. Ang anam na.
Takes all my concentration to look at where I'm walking.
You're dragging me down.
So that's where we could have jumped in from, up there. Oh, it's fresh. That's fresh. Wow. Oh, that feels good. Ay, ay, ay. I'm kind of glad I'm not jumping up there. You can see the water line where it was.
called her Kabukalan Spring.
Ah.
It's Kabukalan Spring.
Kabukalan
Yeah,
Spring.
yeah,
Okay.
You see there's some pipe there
Yeah.
using for some local was
Oh, I see, I
for
see.
drinking.
Right. So it's nice and fresh.
Yeah.
Awesome. Kabukalan Spring. So that's where the Tarzan swing was, down there. But unfortunately, because of the recent storm only a month or two ago, you can see that it's dislodged all the rocks in the area, and it's just too shallow to actually use. You can see they're doing some kind of repair work. Wow, look at the size of him. Ooh. Ooh, I wouldn't want to get too close to him. So that there is the 15-meter jump. Safe to say we're not going to be doing that one today. So it's really shallow down there at the moment. You can, when you're looking down, you can see the rocks. So what we're going to do is we're going to walk down there and swim behind the waterfall. I got my GoPro tied to my wrist. Hang on to the rocks. I couldn't quite dive under, I tried. I ended up going more to the side. Okay, so ready? 1, 2, 3, go! so much fun. Much harder than it looks though, that's for sure. So we're now on our way to the next waterfall. Look how fantastic this looks. Wow. And look how blue this water is. Okay, so that's it, that's our canyoneering adventure over for the day. We've now got a 20-minute hike back to where we started. How was your day?
Very tiring.
Very tiring. Yeah, I would agree with that, very tiring. Absolutely shattered. But almost drowned like 6 times also, but we live another day, it's all good. How blue this water is. Beautiful. So you can see coming down, there were some areas where we couldn't jump in because it's a lot shallower than what it used to be. Apparently, nope. Hello. So when there was some floods a few weeks back, it dislodged. Hello. When there was some floods a few weeks back, it dislodged all the rocks. So there's some areas which were too shallow, where we couldn't get into. So I think now we're going to go back to the entrance and go and get some lunch. What time are we on? We are on 1 o'clock and we started at 8:30. 8:30 we started. But it would have been a later start if we didn't get the zip line. The zip line itself, oh, you can actually hear it in the background. Yeah, the zip line saved maybe half an hour hiking to the first jump into the canyon. So this is the canyoneering company which we use, Kawasan Canyoneering headquarters. So we got the bike ready. Now we're going to head back to the resort, just grab a shower. We're only 20 minutes up the road. Okay, jump on. Okay, so we just made a little pit stop at a pharmacy just to grab some strepsils or something. My throat is killing me. Hello.
Hello.
I have no idea what this little village is called. Ah, it's not open. Opening soon. Okay, Mr. DIY. Okay, so the pharmacy's closed.
Hello.
Hello mate, how are you? Okay, so we just found the local mall. The pharmacy was closed, so we're going to go and try and find some medication for my sore throat. I think we've got to go down this way. Hello. A massage? Hello my friend. Good for a little massage? Huh? You fancy? Yeah. that massage was awesome, just what we needed. And that is called, I don't know what the mall's called. Let's have a look. Let's see if we can see what that's called. Gaisano. The Gaisano Centre. So I think we're going to come back here tomorrow for a massage. Great massage, even if it was a little awkward with all the shoppers watching us at the till. Okay, and onwards. We're only 10 minutes down the road. So let's continue our journey back to the resorts, grab a shower and have a chill. It feels so much better after that massage. That was great.